Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix music failed to play tracks error on Realme 16 Pro. Let's start the video. First of all, if you want to fix this problem, so restart phone, click on side button, click and hold. After just click and hold side button, restart phone. After restart phone, you will see your problem is solved. So if it not solved, click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on apps. After click on apps, click on app management. After click on app management, scroll down and search music app from here. Scroll down and you will see music app is here. Click on music app and click on storage usage if you want to fix this problem. So click on clear cache. After click on clear cache, go back to home screen and you will see your problem is solved. So if so it's just sorry so if it's still not solved, so reset all settings, click on resettings, scroll down to and click on system and update and click on backup and reset phone and click on reset all setting. Enter your phone pin and click on reset. After click on reset, you will see your problem is solved. After the process, go back to home screen. So that's how you can fix music failed not play track error on Realme 16 Pro. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.